thing you should do is get one of these testers and you plug it in to see if the plug you're going to use is properly wired. And on this one, if the two lights on the right are working, it means that it's properly grounded. Next, you get a blank plug, and you'll need to unscrew unscrew the screws and take it apart. Okay. Then once it comes apart, you'll have this. And what we're going to do is we're going to attach the ground wires to this one, and you can see how it attaches to the grounding plug here. So this is the white one. You do not want to attach to either of those two, because then you'll have a shot at getting 110 volts, which would be very dangerous. So we're going to hook the wires to this one. Two wires about the length I'll need to get from the plug to the back of the computer where I'll be at. I have stripped the wire off the ends, both ends. I haven't stripped it off the end of this one yet. That's our cap. Here, I'll show you. You can just... There we go. Get a nice clean edge to work with. Okay, I've taken the wires that I've stripped. I'm going to use two here because I'm going to use one wire for the computer and one for the monitor. I've hooked it up to the ground right here. Made a strong connection there. I've kind of wrapped it around here, and I'll tighten that to make it very secure so you don't have to worry about it getting pulled out. And then I'm going to put the whole thing back together again. The alligator clip, I'm going to put it on the other end. I got these at Radio Shack. I got these because they have this screw attachment on them, and it's a little bit easier. You still have to fish the wire through the hole here. Kind of twist it together. The first one I did was real easy. There, it's starting to come through. And once you get it through, you can kind of guide it around. Take that wire under there, and then tighten it up. Okay. So basically we've hooked it to the grounding plug right there. We got the wires that go through, and we've hooked those to alligator clips. So here's an example of how we've got one hooked up to this iMac computer. We've used a USB drive cable, and we have it hooked into the back of the computer, and we just used the alligator clip to clip on that. So that's how it's done.